In last 2 months, meme coins are best to trade, and if the coin is on BSC scan, then it means 40 to 60x is confirmed. You can see Safe Moon now. Safe Mars is on the way to Safe Moon. But in this video, I will share a coin which will benefit you in long term. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us because this coin will be huge in near future.
Feel uninvited.
FullSend token is a Binance Smart Chain based token. The team basically differ from all the new tokens is through the simplicity of the token of the FullSend. No hidden addresses, and the team is going to send 100% of LP tokens to a burn address, so there is no possible way that the team is going to perform a rug pull. Unlike in other tokens in the market where the developers and team behind the token hold massive shares of the token, in FullSend, each member of the team behind the magic holds less than 1.1%. This again assures the developers and large holders cannot pump and dump the price of FullSend coin. Now I will tell you that how you can purchase the coin. I will share the link of the token FullSend. So here you can see the contract address. Simply you have to copy this contract address and then you have to open the PancakeSwap. And if you are going to buy it on the PancakeSwap exchange, and for example if you are going to hold it with 1 BNB, you will get huge amount of the coins FullSend. And but before that, before buying the coin, you must have to show one thing, that you have to increase the ratio from 1 to at least 4, and simply you can buy the coin. The whole story behind this coin is this, that if you are going to hold this coin right now with 1 BNB, easily it will give you up to 40x in near future. Now we are going to check out the white paper, that what the team is telling us. But before that, we have to read all the things from here. A frictionless yield and liquidity generation smart contract protocol that works by applying a 11% fee for each transaction and instantly splitting that fee by rewarding the holders with 5%. Auto locking is also 5% in Pancake LP, and burning is 1%. The whole mission of the team of the FullSend is to reflect the iconic thoughts of crypto trading with innovative technologies to the untapped market of potential crypto traders. Now, what is the meaning of the rug pull? That is such a huge thing. And most of the coins in the market, especially the meme coins at this time which are available in the market, they are the rug pull plans. But this team is assuring the entire developers and secondly the investors that if you are going to invest in FullSend coin, nothing will happen like this. For crypto noobs, it's a manipulation tactic used by large institutions that have the capital to affect the share price. You will sometimes see a very large order waiting to be filled at a specific limit price. This level will act as a support or resistance. But sometimes this massive order will suddenly disappear and the price will rise or fall according very quickly. So basically the team is assuring this thing, that not a rug pull plan, or secondly not a pump and dump plan. You are not going to see a price, for example right now the price of the FullSend coin is 0.0001 for example, and after for example 1 week you can see the price 0.01, or for example 0.000001. So it is basically a static coin. So definitely in near future it will work. What you think, do let me know in the comment section. I will share the link of the BSC scan directly from here, so you can easily purchase the coin. Right now the coin is available on the PancakeSwap, so you can purchase the coin and make some good amount of money with FullSend coin. Thanks a lot.